Now, after we finish the income statement and the balance sheet, we're gonna move to the third statement from the financial statement, which is statement of cash flow. So, see you soon. Moving in this lesson for the balance sheet, we previously talked about it in other lectures. We're gonna bring all the numbers here from the trial balance. Only the return earning, we're gonna bring it from the income statement. So we're gonna see if our total assets equal total liability plus equities. Starting now from the current asset, which is will convert to cash in less than a year, 16,320, 3,800. Starting with current asset, which gonna convert to cash or its cash within 1 year or less. Cash 16,320, bank, account receivable, and then move to non-current asset, which will convert into cash in more than 1 year, and we're gonna use it in our operation for more than 1 year, 3,200. And the current liability, we have only account payable, 208,000. We don't have in our question non-current liability. We're gonna jump to owner capital, 24,000. And then, as we said, we're gonna bring return earning from the income statement, 2,900. As you can see, our assets 29,700 and our equity and liability 29,700. That show our work was correct and everything worked fine.